Let's take a quick glimpse into the Hoop Horizons template. With this template, you're going to get a full tutorial on all the different options and how the layers work within this template. To give you a brief glimpse, you can double click on the hue saturation slider here and adjust the colors of all the text at once to whatever your team colors are. I can easily change or move any of these hoops here. There's a huge variety of hoops. If I shut my subjects off, you can see all those hoops in the background. Those can all be moved and adjusted. Here are my subjects, and if I insert a subject here, it'll easily go into the correct spot into the folder, and I can move them in the right spot in the template and just hit enter. Because their feet are hidden in that glow, you don't have to worry about drawing shadows or attaching their feet to the ground. Here's another example of a team. I can turn on this glow on the background and easily adjust the colors and make it brighter or whatever color you'd like. Here's a quick glimpse into the individual banner. You can insert two different subjects and have two different looks. You can have a serious and a smile, and it has a really impactful look for a senior banner or even prints for parents. And you can completely customize all this just like you can in the main template. If you're looking for an awesome basketball poster this year, this will be it.